Hi Power Up Book community, I'm Cliff, and by the end of this video you will know what a Bitcoin ETF is and why this is one of your largest financial opportunities in history, and most importantly at the end you will have ideas and direction from me on how to monetize this boom. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has outperformed any other asset in history. As of last week, the floodgates have been opened to a $30 trillion market through the SEC approval of spot ETFs for Bitcoin. This is the game changer for all Bitcoin enthusiasts. Historically, investing in Bitcoin has been difficult and expensive, but now you can access the incredible potential of Bitcoin easily and affordably thanks to spot ETFs. Spot ETFs combine the benefits of exchange-traded funds with the power of Bitcoin. They allow you to invest in Bitcoin without actually owning it, eliminating the need for complicated wallets or exchanges. So how does this work? With spot ETFs, you can buy shares just like any other investment fund. These shares track the price of Bitcoin, giving you direct exposure to performance. And the best part, spot ETFs are monitored and regulated by financial institutions, offering a level of security and peace of mind that traditional Bitcoin investments often lack. With spot ETFs, you can easily diversify your portfolio by adding Bitcoin to your current investment strategy with major financial institutions. If you're with me so far, please like and subscribe to this channel to learn more about making money online in 2024. There are several opportunities for you to profit with this without purchasing Bitcoin or a Bitcoin ETF. So no, I'm not selling you Bitcoin or telling you to buy into an ETF. However, with this monumental industrial surge, there are great opportunities for you to monetize your blog, social media, or YouTube channel as the need for information and commentary regarding Bitcoin and Bitcoin ETFs will grow exponentially this year. Furthermore, investment firms like Fidelity offer affiliate income for referrals. So what this looks like is this. You set up a blog and monetize ad revenue. You sell print-on-demand merchandise with your brand or something Bitcoin related, and you make affiliate income by referring traffic and signups to these major institutions. You can also build and monetize an email newsletter or podcast. So there you go, some ideas that get you started. Comment if you would like to hear more about how to take advantage of these opportunities.